Today, I'm going to show you a complete beginner's guide of the Amazon Luna Cloud Gaming. I'm going to show you some of my favorite tips, tricks, and hidden features allowing you to leave this video as an Amazon Luna Cloud Gaming expert. Let's get started. As you can see on the front of the packaging here, you have the controller itself that says for the love of play. On the side, we know we've got Alexa built in, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a USB-C port, and a 3.5mm line in and out. We've got an image of the device here on this other side of the box, and designed for Amazon Luna, the high-performance controller made for Amazon's cloud gaming platform. And it's powered by Cloud Direct technology. You just pick up and play, and it's built for gaming. So, without further ado, we can go over to the front here, or the back, and we can just peel off the edges. It's got a little sticker right here on the side. We can go ahead and rip that off, and that will allow us to open up the box for the very first time. So this box just opens up like that, and inside we're presented with the controller itself. You've got the Luna logo at the top, and then right here you've got the controller. You can just lift it up. And this looks like a pretty standard controller. You've got your joysticks and D-pad. You've got the A button, the B button, the X button, the Y, and some menu options, microphone, and more. And then your USB port, and then your triggers right here. So you've got all types of different ports on the controller, and then right here, your batteries go in on the back. So that's the simple cloud controller. It's very similar to what Google made a few years ago with the Google Stadia that ended up shutting down later. And now Sony has their own cloud gaming service. Xbox has, their cloud gaming service too, so Amazon has their own version, and multiple cloud gaming services out there on the market. And the inside here, we can find the quick start guide. It lets us know what to do to download the Amazon Luna controller app, install it on your mobile device, and scan with the QR code to get started. You power up your controller with the battery parts. The batteries are included and are also in the box here, so we can go ahead and take that out. We just take it out just like that, and then we can go ahead and take the bottom off right here, and then we can go ahead and read the internals, and it looks like the positive end goes over there, and the positive end goes over there, and just like that, we are good to go with the included batteries. So that's simple to get started, and it's really cool that they include the quick start guide and the QR code for us to get started as easily as it is. You just set up your Luna controller, and you are good to go. You can also optionally set it up on a Fire TV, and then this controller also works across platforms. So you can have it on PC or your mobile phone or tablet. So super cool that you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and download that QR code app for the very first time. I'm going to go ahead and put the box to the side here, and the instruction manual, I'll leave it there. Let's go ahead and get our mobile phone and see what it looks like to download the Amazon Luna app and pair our wireless controller here to the cloud gaming service. In order to get started here, you'll want to unlock your phone and open up the camera button to scan the QR code that's on the quick start guide here. So we'll put our phone underneath the QR code, and then we'll go ahead and tap open the link. And then this will open up the QR code to download the mobile application, the Luna controller application. So we'll go ahead and press the get button. We'll press that once. We'll authenticate by double pressing the side button, the power button, to log in with Face ID and approve our purchase, just like that. And it will start to download the Luna controller app, which will allow us to wirelessly pair our controller to this phone and then use it for cloud gaming. And just like that, in less than 30 seconds, it was downloaded onto our phone, and we are good to go. So we can see some screenshots of what it looks like and what it looks like to work inside of the app here. So we'll go ahead and press the open button, and it opens up the controller application for the very first time, and you'll need to sign in with your Amazon account information. So if you already have an account, you'll press already a customer at this very top right here, and then you'll go ahead and sign in using your username and password. So for privacy reasons, I'm going to do this off camera. I'm going to go ahead and log in with my Amazon Luna account information, which is the exact same username that you used to buy the controller on your Amazon account. So you'll go ahead and authenticate using your password and your username there, and then once you log in, you'll be presented For me, I'm getting a security code, so it's sending a security code to my device, and I'll have to approve that security code and then submit that code to log in. And now I'm all logged in here, and it says, welcome Justin, Amazon Luna controller app. And now it has two options. The first option is your language, so you'll go ahead and select your language that you want. We'll keep it English for me. And then the second option is this continue button, which you'll go ahead and press that one time to move on to the next phase. You can use this app to set up and manage your Luna controllers. You can also play games with the phone controller. Phone controller is not optimal for all games, especially where button combinations are required. So say you do not have the controller, you can use a controller that's virtual on the phone, but it may not work in all games depending on what the necessities are for that specific game that you play. So there are two options. You can play with the phone controller or you can set up the controller. And since we have a controller right here in our hands, we're going to select the second option and say set up my controller. After pressing set up with the controller, it's going to ask for your location settings and your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings to make sure that you can authorize the Bluetooth connection. So you'll go ahead and have to approve those. You'll have to hit the allow button. And now it says power up your Luna controller. Press and hold the Luna button for 3 seconds. Once your Luna controller is on, tap next. So here's the Luna button right here in the middle. We'll press and hold for 3 seconds and it vibrates. And it starts lighting up, and there's an orange circle that's going around the controller just like that you can see there to let us know that it's currently looking to pair. So we'll go ahead and press the next button, and it's going to look for the controller, and it starts to connect. It's connecting to the controller just like that, creating authentication, looking for networks, and we are almost good to go with getting our controller ready for setup. The next thing we'll need to do is connect our Wi-Fi network. Now, if you've previously connected your Wi-Fi network to an Amazon device, your login information is probably saved in the cloud and you're good to go. That's the case for this phone, but if not, you'll have to scroll, tap on your Wi-Fi connection, type in the password, and proceed with connecting it together. We'll go ahead and tap on our Wi-Fi. It registers the Luna controller, it logs into Wi-Fi, and it gets our controller ready just like that. So it takes a few moments here. You see a spinning dial that goes on, and eventually once that's complete, we'll be presented with the next screen that will allow us to successfully set up and register our controller. So now it wants us to know what Cloud Direct is. It's getting the latest firmware and downloading that to the controller and phone, and Cloud Direct technology sends your gaming inputs over Wi-Fi for fast response and seamless movement between screens. Once you have set up your Luna controller, Cloud Direct automatically connects and allows it to communicate between the two devices. So it's connected to Wi-Fi now. We see a solid purple ring, and we are good to go. That means all of our connections, and when we press buttons, will be properly sent to the Wi-Fi connector. It's vibrating, it's installing software. A flashing purple ring indicates that the Luna controller is searching. So when you launch the Luna button will change, and it will only be purple when you're connected to Luna and ready to play. So it's got some tips right here on the screen for us to read. You can go through those. It's finalizing the configuration, and we're almost good to go. I would say one piece of feedback though, it is really hard when these tips go by really fast. So I would read them with lightning speed because you can't go back and look at the previous tip. Next up is Bluetooth mode. Your Luna controller also supports Bluetooth for gameplay on compatible devices. In order to play games via Bluetooth on PC, download the latest driver. To pair via Bluetooth, press and hold the Action plus B button. To manage your Bluetooth connections, go to Bluetooth settings for your controller on the controller details menu. Pairing with Bluetooth will allow full control over Fire TV devices and will automatically switch to Cloud Direct mode for gameplay. So here we can see there's a diagram, and it shows us exactly where the Action button is and where the B button is. So you'll have to press the Action button right here and the B button right here to successfully connect this to Bluetooth pairing mode to connect it to something like a computer. So we'll press OK just like that, and congratulations, you're ready to play games with Cloud Direct. The Luna controller will connect automatically when you launch Amazon Luna on your compatible devices. So that was really simple and really cool for us to get started. We can see the overview of the application now. It says your Luna controllers. We can set up a new Luna controller. We can use the phone as a game controller. We can see the details here of our current controller, what network it's connected to, the Bluetooth settings, and all the different devices about that. You've got voice chat. You can use this device's microphone to chat in game and more. So we've got all of our Luna controllers set up just like that. And it was really simple to get started. We can enter a guest mode if we want to. Guest modes, have friends over, you can basically add their controller to your Luna to play with them. So that's super cool that you can hop in there and do that. And just like that, within less than 10 minutes there, we were able to successfully set up our Luna controller on this device. Today we're going to be checking out Surfshark for our lovely promotion where you can get an incredible VPN for about $2.19 for their 24-month promotion. I'm going to go ahead and download this onto our phone and show you the setup process, but you can use the QR code on screen to take advantage of this deal and get access to Surfshark's virtual private network. You can secure your online browsing. It uses protection and hides your IP address, and you can get all kinds of great features to make sure that you stay secure when you're using the internet. And you can go to appfind.org/Surfshark or use the QR code on screen to take advantage of the deal that we have, the promotion that allows you to get Surfshark for 24 months at just $2.19. So let's go ahead. This app is almost downloaded, and I'll show you what it's like to set it up on your brand new iPhone. So this is definitely one of the first things I do when I get my new iPhone. I log in, I set up my virtual private network so I stay secure, whether I'm browsing at home on Wi-Fi or whether I'm on the go on someone else's Wi-Fi network or on 5G. When I have Surfshark enabled, I'm safe and it's fast and it's reliable. So I'm going to go ahead and open this application up. After you've clicked the link in the chat or in the description below, the Surfshark, the appfind.org/Surfshark, or you scan the QR code on the screen and sign up, you'll be able to download the app onto your phone. And then here it's got two options: to create an account or log in. You would have most likely already created an account when you've redeemed the promotion on the QR code or on the link in the description. So you would hit the login button and it asks you to continue with Google, Apple, or your username and password that you set up originally. After you have successfully logged in, this is what it will look like on your screen on your brand new iPhone 16. Now you may be wondering, what do you do? So what it's recommending is you to connect to a virtual private network in a certain location. Now your IP address can be from almost anywhere around the world that they have service. You can scroll down and it looks like I tapped on one. I tapped on one, and it instantly opens it up and tells me more about that. So I highly recommend picking something that's local or nearby, because what will happen is when you're using your virtual private network, websites will kind of detect your location, and if it detects that you're very far away from where you actually live, sometimes it may not let you log in, or it may block you because you wouldn't want someone logging into your account that's not actually you. So sometimes it can be very challenging to get around certain things like that. One of my favorite features is the multi-hop. This way you can have secure connections from multiple directions, and I can scroll down. I can select something like we've got United States and Canada, United States, New York, and Canada, Toronto. We can tap on the multi-hop, and it will need permission in order for us to get started with the VPN. So let's go ahead and authorize the Surfshark and get permission. We'll hit the continue button at the very bottom, and now it's going to ask us, Surfshark would like to add VPN configurations. Since we do want our VPN to be connected, we'll press this allow button right here, and then it will take us to our settings where we'll have to enter our passcode. So I'm going to enter our passcode off camera here just to stay secure, and then it will take us back to the app and it will start connecting. And I'm going to hide my IP address at the top right here, but this is what it looks like. In the top right, your IP address pops up, and then it says connected and safe, and then it shows you your connection time. And then at the very bottom, you can see in the bottom left here, you've got the country that you're connected with, US, New York, and then you've got it via Toronto, Canada. So then you can press disconnect at the very bottom. You can pause it on the right. I'm going to swipe down so my IP address goes away. So you can always disconnect at the very bottom. You can pause it right here, or you can scroll and search for another location that you want. So you've got multiple locations here at the top, and you can select whichever location that you want to connect through to keep your data secure. So this is Surfshark, and it's our lovely promotion that we've got going on right now. You can scan the code on the screen, or you can go to appfind.org/Surfshark to take advantage of our incredible offer. And I hope you enjoyed the virtual private network and it keeps you secure. This is one of my favorite products that I use every single day to stay secure on the internet. So you may be wondering, you set up the controller in the Luna controller app, but how do you play a video game? Well, it's really simple. All you have to do, if you're going to do it on an iPhone or your mobile device, is head over to amazon.com/Luna and choose where you want to play. You can play on your Windows PC, a Mac, a Fire TV, a Fire tablet, an iPad, an iPhone, Chromebooks, select Android phones, and even supported Samsung Smart TVs and LG Smart TVs. So you can see which options you want to do right here. And now this is an iPhone, so we're going to go ahead and press the Play Now and Safari button, and it's going to open up Amazon Luna just like this, and we've got our cloud gaming. In order to get started with the Luna gaming app in the browser in Safari, you're going to need to add this to your home screen first by pressing the share button at the very bottom of the screen. So I'm going to do this 1 second off camera to protect privacy. Once you press the share button, there is an add to home screen button. You press that one time, and then it says Amazon Luna, and you press this add button and you add it to your home screen. So now it's on the home screen of the iPhone, and we can tap on it and instantly open up the app just like that. Now we'll need to log in to our Amazon account, so we'll tap that and it's going to ask us to log in. I'm going to log in off camera to protect my privacy one more time, and once I type in my password, we'll be good to go. It's going to ask for my verification here, so I'm logged in and I'm good to go. So now I can play a game while my controller is connected. A pop-up shows up. It says the Luna controller is now connected over Cloud Direct, which means that this controller itself is connected to the Cloud Direct server. So any button I press on this controller will be sent up through my Wi-Fi connection to Amazon servers and back to the video game that I play. Let's try playing this Smurfs card game. We tap on it one time, we press the Play Now button, and now we'll need to accept the Amazon Luna terms and conditions, and then add the Luna app to my Fire TV and tablet. So we'll go ahead and press the accept button. It'll process here, and now it wants us to rotate landscape. I'm going to turn up the volume here, and I'm also just going to make sure that we'll turn off silencer for this. So I've got a little iPhone controller right here. We'll go ahead and put this in. Rotate it in, that way you can see. Alright, so this is what it looks like to play the Smurfs game on the Amazon Cloud Direct. So I'm going to turn down the audio. So it says press return, which this is a controller, so press A. And now you can see when I move the controller left and right, it moves left and right on the screen. This controller is fully connected to the cloud video gaming service by Amazon. So I can say single player, press A. We can go ahead, we can do a Grand Prix, and then we can say fun. But you just use this like any other video game controller that you would ever use, whether it was an Xbox, a PS3, or PS5, or PSP, PS Vita. There's so many different options out there. Nintendo Switch. So we can select which Surf we want to be. Let's be Papa Smurf. And then we'll press the A button. And then we'll go ahead and get proceeded. We can then select which one we want. So let's go with Village Cup. And now it asks us if we're ready to go. We can press the A button. And it starts to load up the game here. We can turn it up a little bit. We'll press A to confirm, and now it's smurfing, and we'll be ready to play Smurf Kart with our Amazon Luna gaming controller connected to the cloud, sending all of our signals and buttons to the cloud over Wi-Fi, and then back down to the phone in real time. So really cool that this technology is available and out, so you can play console level games right here on your phone or on your PC or on your Fire TV stick or Android phone. No matter what it is, you can play an advanced game that typically requires a really heavy PC load or a fancy gaming computer right here on your mobile phone. So I did not read the rules for this. I'm going to think, okay, we press A to go. So I learned that the hard way. And then we can go ahead and start racing around. So I've got some prizes there, pass a few people, and I'm just using the controller. There's a ramp here. I can hop up on the ramp. It wants us to go this way. I get a little boost there, and you can see the lap. I'm in 3rd place. I can get another boost here, get some prizes, and I'm having fun here, just playing a full-fledged computer game on my iPhone in the web browser using the Cloud Direct technology by Amazon Luna, which is super cool to be able to come in here and check out. We can get some more prizes, and I can pass this person. Oh, I got hit by some dirt or something. It's a nice little boost there. I'm still in 3rd place here. Now I'm in 2nd. Let's see if I can claim 1st. I'm going to go ahead and not hit one of those. I don't know what that does. Oh, someone hit me with something. Alright, there we go. Oh, I got hit with something else again. So you can see the fun that you can have with playing this game here. And this is just one of the hundreds of games they have right here on the cloud service. And I'm in 2nd place. I don't know where 1st place is. I haven't seen them at all. They're really ahead of me on the map. But there's one more lap here. Let's see if I can catch up to them. I got hit by something else again. I don't know. I don't think I should hit those other things. Those look like I will get hurt. But yeah, you can definitely do this in multiplayer mode if you had more than one controller. Oh man, that's a spike. Yeah, definitely don't want to hit that. Oh no, I got hit by mud again. I'm still in 2nd place, so not the end of the world. I can go this way. I've never gone this way before. You gotta avoid the spikes, and I just got hit by something else, and I take 3rd place. Can I regain the lead of 2nd place? Let's see, go over the speeding thing here. Oh, I'm still in 3rd place. It's okay. But you can see, this is what it looks like to play a game on the Amazon Luna controller. So super cool. I hope you're able to have a great time with your video game. Let's see if I can hit that person. No. Oh man, I'm in all sorts of places now. I dropped to 4th and 3rd, and oh, I got hit by something. Now I'm in 5th place. Alright, I'll take 4th. Or 3rd. Oh, I finished with 3rd. Came in clutch there to take 3rd place. And now you can see the rankings here on the screen. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, all the way to 8th. So, for the first time playing this game, this was really fun. I really enjoyed myself. The first game I played on an Amazon Luna controller. You've got your USB-C port here for charge. Well, not for charging, because it takes batteries. I would think for direct connection to a PC. I don't know what that. I'm curious why they added a USB-C port when it takes batteries. But you've got all your different ports here, or these would be buttons instead of ports. We can come in here. We can press this 3 dots. We can see our username. We can exit the game. We can see the controller is connected. There's no headset connected. The controller battery is really high, and our connection level is really good. So we can press A here to move forward, and if we want to exit, we can tap on the screen, 3 dots, and exit game, as we said before, or we can go to the next game, but I'll go ahead and exit and show you the other games that we can play. So I'll tap on the screen once, I'll press the 3 lines, I'll press exit game, and just like that, it wants us to rate us how the game section was. It was excellent, there are no issues, we can allow notifications, and then we can also do a 7-day free trial of Amazon Luna and play a library of games across genres for $10 a month. I'm going to say no thank you. But if you want to play all the different games you can, we can go over to the library and see all the various games that they do have. So Fallout 3, Fortnite, Garfield, Monster Truck, Smurfs, and some more racing games. So super cool that they've got all these games right here inside the Amazon Cloud Library, dozens of games that we can check out. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. And that's basically how you use your Amazon Luna controller. And if you're not subscribed to our newsletter, go to appfind.ai to subscribe to our newsletter where you can get the latest complete beginner guides every week in your inbox. You'll get tutorials straight from including these videos that we make on future technology guides and written tutorials on how to access these consumer electronic products and apps, and it's really neat. So go to appfind.ai to sign up today, and you can use the AppFind Complete Beginner's Guide strategies in your email inbox to get the latest technology, apps, software, and AI tools and products. So this has been a complete beginner's guide of the Amazon Luna Cloud Gaming service. If you have any comments, if you really enjoyed this game or any thoughts on this video, let us know in the comments below. Let us know what you think of the Amazon Cloud Gaming service Luna. And if you like this video, be sure to smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to figure out when we release our next technology video. We love producing these for you and can't wait to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.